So we talked about the consecutive integer problem. And like I said, if we don't know what the number is, whatever the number is, that first one's going to be x. The next one's going to be x plus 1. The next one's going to be x plus 2. We talked about that. Let me do some pencil. Okay. I'm recording this for some people who are missing. So I talked about this. If that's an x, then that's an x plus 1, that's an x plus 2. And so if the first number was a 5, then we can see the next one would be a 6, the next would be a 7. That's the idea of consecutive integers. But I did not talk about even or odd integers. And this really is a point of confusion for students. I want to help you out. The odd integers that add to 15. So for instance, 1 plus odd. 1 plus 3 plus 5. Does that add to 15? No, it doesn't. Okay? Do the next one. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Does that add to 15? Maybe. Not. That's what we're talking about, right? So I have a number line. Let's just pretend it was a 1. The next one I care about is a 3. The next one I care about is a 5. You should have your notes out in front of you right now, bro. Okay? So I don't know. The whole point is that on the first number. So we always call that first number x. But what's the second number going to be? Not x plus 1, because x plus 1 would give me a 2. X plus 2. And what's that next number I care about going to be? X plus 4. So if you look right here, the question is, what are the odd integers that add to 15? X plus 2 plus x plus 4. Now some students are bothered by that. I ask what are the odd integers, and I'm doing 2 and 4 down here. That confuses some people. I want you to understand this 2 and 4 has nothing to do with the fact it's odd. It has to do with the fact how far apart on the number line are they. They're 2 and 4 apart. Okay? So it's going to be the same setup if I ask for 3 even integers that add to, let's say, 8. It's going to be exactly the same setup. We're going to have x plus 2, x plus 4 equal to 8. Okay? This plus 2 and plus 4 is just distance on the number line from that first number we don't know about. So if I'm adding this up, how many x's am I going to have? 3 x's. And what are my constants going to add to? 6. What's going to be my first step, Nolan? I already have. I combined my x's. I got 3x. I combined my 4 and 2. I got 6.
You put the 6 to the 15.
Put 6 to the 15 using what math? Subtraction. Giving me 3x equal to what? 9. Very good, sir. Okay. Bradley, what's my last step?
Divide.
By?
3.
Divide by 3. Giving me? X equals 3. So what's my final answer going to be?
X equals 3.
And? Remember I wanted what?
X equals 3 all.
3 and 3 consecutive odds. 3. What's the next one? 3 and, say it. I heard it, somebody say it. Say it louder. 5, right? The next odd one's 5. You're not saying it loud. You gotta say it loud so I can hear it. I'm deaf. All right? So 3 and 5 and 7. Those are my 3 consecutive odd integers that add to 15. Let's just prove it. What is 7 plus 3? What's 10 plus 5? 15. Okay? So, question from last night's homework. Number 11. Okay, let me get there. All right, so number 11.